this.
When election.
This is not about election.
Where a coup.
This is staging a coup.
Dangerous. So believe the group. Some Kotua Bayagu. Very dangerous. A bang way, more beyond try. A bang obey, more beyond try. Don't try. Because physically and spiritually, Onyankupo protection at Daniso. Physically and spiritually. Because of Naho Brasienti.
Now, it is a dangerous thing to lead a group of people.
You will never succeed.
To stage a coup.
Mo planning ya be fefu afre. Because you say you fear, you say them. As you in the Akosudia. You know. Don't try.
Now, the incoming government, let nobody try to stage a coup against this incoming government, both spiritually and physically. You know, the moment anybody plans that thing, though we are in our rooms, we will pick up a phone and we will call, because we are in our rooms, but we see all things that happen spiritually in this nation.
Yeah, so many times. And I'm assembly waha. A see I'm penny for frame catch me. So many times. I don't want to go there. So many times.
So many times I have said certain things here, and when they happen, some people called me and told
me. To the glory of God, a dientina, BNI director. Bakubina no hono. Or frame me a call BNI, and me call office. No catch me say, man of God. Say me no na eba be adwuma. Minim so hu ade pa. Bibia ansusu. Ubehu. Bibia ekoso. Momodia na draw my attention because minim say nyame ma hunu niema. First be an director no. Answer na Mr. Donfe beba no. E no oni dis hankomo yi. Mr. Donfe so no ya madam fo. Ono so na me ni din komo pa. Mr. Kofi Boache, ebire bi atwa no ya madam fo. Tama no ya commander e wa Accra ha. Kronfuo bi. Me na me chire wo mo kwan bi o mo fa so be chire. Now, but enye nsem nyina na yeka. Enye nsem bia na yeka. Na se ya kasa tu ye ho. Enye fact. Aso make ni I am a witness, ni policeman, I am a witness. Anuti me kanu kra chiro. Coup. Don't try. Aben ya obey. Eye end this ya ben. Mama ni nya peace of mind. Na wonfa mu man. Because man na say awie and oba be ni ye. Mama nya ni peace of mind. Na yan kan mpaibom every day. Hallelujah. Me blue American, white so American. You know me. Baby anya me gina ho. Anytime bia onyankopon be pointing David actually Samuel had in full support Emma David. Onyankopon pointing Saul Emma Samuel in full support Emma Saul. Onyankopon pointing Solomon Emma Nathan in full support Emma Solomon. To a sense honor man Solomon mama advice a good advice Prophet Nathan Emma Solomon the mission the vision it's me fulfilled.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. We hope you'll subscribe to it. And by the way, you can hit the little bell on there and get notifications every time we produce a video. We hope you'll do that also.